Impossible is a word that shouldn't even be in the dictionary anymore. I think that Nelson Mandela said it best, because he said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Keep it simple. The lessons we need in life, we learn by the time we're in kindergarten. Your clients and customers want to feel valued. They want to feel cared about. They want to feel like they matter. It's all about connecting with our clients and customers. The essence of building these relationships and connecting with your clients and customers to create the world-class experience is simply a matter of listening for their stories and personalizing their experience based upon those stories. Within each one of us is the capacity to create extraordinary. And I invite each one of you to embrace the extraordinary in you.